Y'all know we in that assets only phase.
Well
then, they probably just like, this house ain't working. Stay tuned, you got plenty more to see.
Yes. So we are at the house across the street from us. We about to take a look at it. See if we gonna buy it.
Let us know if you see the potential.
Oh my Lord.
Ew. It's just nasty. Dog hair.
These steps is literally looking like they falling.
This definitely sagging. Ugh. That's dog hair.
Oh, these floors gangsta land. No raccoons?
No.
No.
That's sagging. Yeah. The floors look cool, but they gonna break up once we straighten the floor back up. That was leaking. The upstairs bathroom was leaking on probably the roof. New drywall. This one set up like that too. 2 doors that go to the back.
Something going on in the front.
Probably the roof.
They probably just like, this house ain't even worth fixing.
Dang, look at this old wallpaper. They just made this house safe enough to show us. Cause look, they got new rails. Damn, ain't no saving this floor at all. That water leaking right there for a minute. You can cut it up, we ain't tripping. Subfloor. Bam. I'm digging the color scheme here. Yes,
These
ma'am.
walls don't look that good.
The ceilings either.
Look at this.
Damn.
Well then.
That make it look like the. Don't pay attention to the cabinet. The front of them cabinets got wet and they tilting forward. They warping.
I was about to say, is that
Like
the
that.
whole wall? It looks like it's the whole wall.
No, that's the cabinet. Definitely need a roof. Hey, sappy though. It's crazy because this clean up nice. Hello outside.
Whoa, buddy. Hey, I ain't gonna care.
Hello.
That floor be staying right there.
Oh my mama. Them dogs is living in that tub.
So you telling me all this was caused by a damn roof?
Yes.
Wow.
Get your roof fixed, folks.
Now, what if you just went to that board? Remember, we upstairs when we came his windows, I don't know.
If they work,
They
don't
might
fix
be
them.
in working condition. So you telling me the main issue with this house is the roof and the basement fishy?
Get your roof fixed, folks. You. Come on, we gotta go to the attic.
Our house, dang, that smell like this.
Worse.
Right now.
Okay then. Give me my candy.
Out here's the creaking. This probably was treated out of the third day.
Yeah.
Okay.
See the potential? Ain't bad. You gotta fix that roof though. Get the rip in all this other shop. Look at that stained glass. No, it ain't.
That looks pretty cool.
This basement seems smaller. Our house bigger than this.
One thing that make it look smaller is the closet.
Yeah.
Two furnaces,
Any hot water tanks?
one
One new.
newer, one older.
I'm pretty sure it works. It's a 2 family, not a 3. We see 2 boxes over there.
Okay. We went in a little bit over the 3 family.
This bathroom look sagging. They got it supported wrong, so we gotta jack that up.
I'm starting to feel like these houses just weren't supported right.
It's like over time, I guess.
Right, they is 100-year-old house.
There's a hole right here. I bet you that was probably, hopefully it was for a toilet or probably a drain, but that need to be covered up. Electric still in here. Gas pipes at. The water lines was replaced, but probably gonna replace all of them. Yeah, gas meter. They took the face off there, still in gas on that one. They got that capped off. That must have busted.
I don't know what kind of stuff they had going on up
Yeah,
here. That
big
was
dog, little
real
dog.
slavery type.
Man, all these steps, them tell them about f***ing nails. I catch it.
I just feel like they don't have a kid.
Well, that's why. The outside look good, that's one thing. 2 brand new meters, we ain't gotta worry about that. This boy nice on the outside. No garage, but plenty of parking.
Let us know if you see the potential.